Hi friends, this video is for unbox this product with you. This is a Case Pro smartwatch. I want to show you because I think that is a great accessory for your life. Because this smartwatch can help you to make calls, read message. You can have games in your iWatch. You have an AI voice assistant, a sleep monitoring, a brain training, a stress and emotion test. That's perfect for these times. Weather forecast, and that is waterproof too. And okay, let's go open so we can know how it works and how they see. Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Came with this user manual and have this protector for the glass of your smartwatch that you can put it by yourself. Look. I think that is a great detail that have this one for free. And this is a cable of charge that is USB type, and this is magnetic. So this is our smartwatch. I'm gonna put it off, this protector. So look, I think that is beautiful. Came with this strap that is look more sport, but comes with this other two that is all black, so you can use it in any day and with any outfit, casual or formal. And have this part to control your navigation in your smartwatch. And a button right here. The charger goes in this part. It's magnetic, as I say. And now we're gonna turn it on. Look at this. I think that is so friendly. You can change your screen with this rotation. This is a menu. And you can see here all the apps that you have in your smartwatch. You can be the weather, alarm, your quality of sleep, music, camera, games, AI voice, stress, rating training, your phone, and activity, and SOS, of course, heart rate, and you can check your workouts too. That is perfect. And the best part is that you can synchronize your smartwatch with any smartphone too, like an iPhone or Android. So I think that this product is perfect for you and your daily life. So I highly recommend it. See you.